He's a swimmer.
First game of hide and seek, you know. Yeah, listen over here at the baby.
I'm getting out of here.
Running away. We just want to hear you just for a quick minute.
He doesn't want to cooperate.
It's a lot of motion though. Do you feel a lot of fetal motion?
Huh?
Do you feel the baby moving a lot?
No.
No? Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby's moving all over though.
Baby is super active, darling.
Really?
Yeah.
He's a swimmer.
Right?
Maybe that's what I feel. I thought it was good.
It's probably your baby. So, let's see where this baby is. Are you feeling okay? You're not nauseous?
No, I'm doing
All
good.
right. If I make you feel pukey, you make me stop.
Maybe it was transverse when I started, but I think ran as far back as it could.
All right, child. Your parents would like to hear you if you don't mind.
Just a little bit.
If you don't mind, sweet thing. Just for a minute. All right. I don't want to goo you, baby, so I'm just going to pull your pants a little further down, okay? All right. Ready? you go, Mama.
Alright.
What do you think? Yeah? What do you think, Mama? It's pretty awesome, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me get you.